Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the chance that given to me. Let me introduce our group today. It's me, Anita Noviana, as a presenter, and my partner as the other authors are Ahmad Nadi, Ahmad Firdaus, and Justinus Kusukmaji. We are students from Magister of Social Studies Education on Lambung Mangkurat University. In this opportunity, I would like to present about our research. The title of the research is The Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic Toward Sustainability of the Social Environment in Banjarmasin. And let's move to the explanations. We can understand the threat of COVID-19 can be underestimated. The status of pandemics and national disasters is a sign that the virus has a significant impact on the various aspects of our lives. The virus also has the impact of major change to a crisis that is detrimental to the survival of people in various regions. We can see how change in the technology, economy, politics, and socio-cultural life. Indonesia has big challenges in handling COVID-19. Of all the aspects that currently challenging, we concentrate on the aspect of social and environmental sustainability as something that is quite rare for researchers to study. The aspect of the social environment in Banjarmasin during the COVID-19 pandemic is our concentration in this discussion. Currently, changes have been felt in the social environment of the people in Banjarmasin. This fast and drastic change is caused by COVID-19. According to the theory of social change, disaster is one of factors causing social change. This can be happen because a disaster is a society will change all forms of structures and living systems that are plain. The social environment of people in Banjarmasin often involves a lot of physical contact, such as tradition of shaking hands, kissing hands of people who are respect, smiling and greeting when they meet, mewarung, and others. This factor is predicted to have contribution in increasing COVID-19 cases in the city. Since the initial phase of the spread, followed by the implementation of PSBB, to the announcement of a new normal phase in Indonesia, COVID-19 has had a major impact on political, economic, social, cultural, defense and security aspects, as well as the welfare of the people in Indonesia. The author highlights the social impacts that have occurred in Banjarmasin, both in the current phase of the spread of COVID-19 until COVID-19 solution has been found. The most obvious impact is that some social traditions of the community are no longer exist, and they are concerned about their sustainability. In addition, COVID-19 psychologically has an impact on the loss of people's sense of security in their social environment. Therefore, this research aims to explain the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic for the sustainability of the social environment of the people in Banjarmasin. And in this research, we use simple survey method. The survey was conducted on research subjects, which is represented by 100 respondents, consisting of 33 men and 67 women from various types of work. Respondents were randomly selected to fill out the questionnaire, which aimed to reveal data about the sociological and psychological impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. Survey questions are shared online via Google Form Media and carried out from 11 to 12 July 2020. From the survey data, we have a general description of the phenomenon and impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the social environment of people in Banjarmasin during the pandemic, and later on the COVID-19 solution has been found. Therefore, this study also aims to predict the trends and behavior of the people in Banjarmasin when the pandemic status has ended. The survey data are then analyzed descriptively and narrative, so that a pattern or conclusion can be drawn regarding the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the sustainability of the social environment of the people in Banjarmasin. We have identified the Banjar's cultural tradition that were often carried out by the people in Banjarmasin before the COVID-19 has been found. especially those related to the social environment and involving physical contact. The implementation of this tradition can be used as an indicator of sustainable social environment for people in Banjarmasin. Various traditions are follows: shaking hands when meeting and saying goodbye, kissing the hands of people who respect it, gotong royong, Thanksgiving, bermaafan or beralaan while bersalawat after finishing prayers and celebration, wedding party or aruf pengantin, pilgrimage to the graves of scholars and families, mawarung, assembling taklim, and homecoming. And we will show you the result of our survey. The first one is shifting tradition of the people in Banjarmasin during the COVID-19 pandemic. You can see in this table.
Jadi show aja nih kesurupan kita.
It's also this is the rest of the data that I showed you before. And this is the data of the survey that we give to the respondents about prediction of community behavior in Banjarmasin after COVID-19 pandemic ends. In conclusion, COVID-19 pandemic has an impact on the preservation of the social environment of the people in Banjarmasin. The impact is in the form of changes to social tradition that involve physical contact. There are several traditions that have undergone a shift, and there are also several traditions that have emerged in society. Various social traditions have decreased the intensity of their implementation by the community. In a survey during the pandemic, the tradition that was most affected was the handshake tradition, with 93 out of 100 respondents saying they no longer implement it. Then from the 10 traditions mentioned, the one that shows the least impact number is the tradition of pilgrimage to the grave and Thanksgiving, with the number of voters who do not perform together as many as 73 out of 100 people. In addition, on a community compliance survey related to health protocols during the pandemic shows that washing hands before and after doing something is the new habit that is most obeyed by the community. The result of the post-pandemic predictive survey show that the new habit of washing hands has decreased in the number of respondents compared to the survey during the pandemic, which from the initial number of all respondents from 100 people washing their hands to only 94 people. But these habits still show a positive trend with a higher percentage with high enough to be maintained by the community at 94%. Still regarding the prediction of people's behavior toward post-pandemic health protocols, it turned out that the habits of maintaining physical distancing is a health protocol that shows the lowest number to be maintained. There are 44 people out of 100 respondents choose not to do it anymore. This means that physical distancing behavior will be abandoned by society. The result of predictive survey regarding the tradition and social habits behavior of the people in Banjarmasin after the pandemic end show that the tradition that was not affected was the Mawarung tradition, with 46 respondents who answered that they were no longer practicing in this tradition. Meanwhile, in the other 9 traditions, the majority of people will return to doing it. Because some traditions that shift during the pandemic were related to ritual or ceremonial origins of Islamic teaching, it was very difficult for the people of Banjarmasin to leave them. So, the shift was only temporary during the pandemic. If the pandemic ends one day, social tradition and behavior that breathe Islam will be carried out again. Thanks for your attention. I think it's enough for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.